still loading years of old WooCommerce orders every time you open your dashboard? ArchiveMaster lets you archive old orders and choose exactly which ones to archive with filters.
First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Then, from the left sidebar, open Plugins. Search for ArchiveMaster. Here it is. Now, click Install and activate the plugin.
Now, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From your WordPress dashboard, go to ArchiveMaster, then open Archive Settings. Scroll down and you'll find the Advanced Order Filtering section. To start using this feature, simply turn on the Advanced Order Filtering toggle. Once enabled, you can add filters to define which orders should be archived. Currently, the available filter is Product Category. However, other filter types like Product Type, Customer Type, and Payment Method are coming soon. For this tutorial, we'll focus on Product Categories. Now let's add a filter based on product categories. Choose Filter by Product Category, and then click Add Filter. This creates a new filter section where you can choose one or more WooCommerce products categories. Inside this section, click the Category dropdown and select the product categories you want to use. For example, I'll select categories like clothing and hoodies. After selecting categories, the next step is choosing how ArchiveMaster should match orders. There are several matching rules here, but the idea is simple. You decide how strict the category match should be before an order gets archived. Let me quickly explain the main options. The first option archives the order if at least one product belongs to any of the selected categories. This is the most flexible option. The second option is stricter. Here, every product in the order must belong to at least one of the selected categories. If even one product falls outside those categories, the order won't be archived. Now comes the third option. This option requires the order to contain at least one product from each selected category. So if you choose two categories, the order must include products from both of them. And the last option is the strictest. It archives only orders where the products belong exactly to the selected categories, with no extra categories included.
Now, let's go through each option and see how many orders can be archived with filters.
If you're not sure which rule to use, start with the first option. It's the easiest and most practical for most WooCommerce stores, especially when you want to archive orders more flexibly. That's it. With advanced order filtering, you can archive only the orders that match specific product categories instead of archiving everything by date or status alone. This gives you better control and helps keep your WooCommerce order list cleaner and easier to manage.
And that's a wrap. Follow us for more archiving tips and tricks.